Potash is an obscure but vital commodity in the fertilizer industry. So why is it so valuable? Poppy Trowbridge explains.
An alfalfa field in the south of England. This crop is strong because it's been fed fertilizer made of phosphate and nitrogen and, crucially, potash. Thanks to potash, the yield will be strong and each plant resistant to disease.
The fact is, if you didn't have potash and if you didn't have those fertilisers available to use, then it would clearly be a real challenge for your margins and for the sustainability of the business.
His farm produces both crops and livestock. It does better with potash fertilizer than with traditional manure. It's easy to spread and keeps the soil rich. But it's becoming expensive, and he says that's got farmers concerned.
It's a worry for all arable farmers, the fact that if fertiliser costs go up, and if they're likely to only go one way because some of these resources are finite, then we would seriously start to need thinking, is it viable to grow these crops in the first place?
Potash is potassium ore, mined like any other mineral. Canada tops the production table at 17 million tonnes a year. Other high producers include Russia, Belarus and Germany. Now the world potash consumption is on the rise again. It last peaked in 2007, dipped, but is now heading back to nearly 50 million tonnes this year. That consumption makes for healthy crops and abundant yields. There's a finite amount of potash in the world which will run out one day. Meanwhile, food production could have to rise by 70% just to keep up with population growth over the next few decades. And that means that farmers and the market could face a very volatile future. Poppy Trowbridge, Bloomberg in Surrey.